Hello, everyone. I'm Paul Travers, the CEO of Vuzix Corporation, which was founded in 1997. We have been working closely with AMA since 2015 to enable best-of-breed solutions around smart glasses and remote support. We first started with XpertEye Advanced on Vuzix M100. Since then, we moved to the 300, the 400, and there's a slew of new products coming. We have a long relationship with AMA, which is built on respect, trust, and a mutual understanding. These industries are difficult, or have been until now, and it's all starting to get to be plug and play thanks to the efforts that AMA and Vuzix have been doing along with them. We progress together through monthly meetings in which we share objectives, experiences, and insights, and we're very complementary. It's great to work together with AMA. They're serious, they're paying attention to what their customer needs, and they're doing a good job of delivering solutions that solve problems. AMA has privileged relationships with its customers for the last 6 years, which allows them to improve their products and develop generic solutions. Together, we have a strong solution proposition that meets the needs of a wide range of customers and industries. AMA is paying a lot of attention to the user-friendliness of its solutions. That is why we make sure they receive our latest models before their official launch even, so that their software can be fully tested before proposing it to customers and prospects. We have a great relationship with AMA, and we're very excited about the future with them.